This is a brand new 2023 Mercedes A35 AMG protected with a Starline Pro. So if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's just simply not going to start up. Foot's on the brake, we're trying to start it, it's just not going to start up. So what the customer has to do, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, put in their unique code, wait for a disarm tone, foot on the brake and start the car. Don't want to waste the time with the code, they can just turn their Bluetooth on their connected phone. Next time they get in the vehicle, just simply start it up. With the phone in the pocket, we get the disarm tone straight away. The vehicle's going to start without a code and we can drive off. We turn the Bluetooth off, leave the vehicle. 10 seconds later, the system's going to be active, so if a thief got the key and went to steal it, it's just not going to start up. As you can see, the vehicle's not starting. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 2023 A35 AMG with a Starline Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.